Welcome back to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we're taking a look at the accessory hitch that we have for the Ural gear up for the two-wheel drive models. And first, let's check out the quality of the components you get in this kit from us. So everything is very heavy duty. We can see the welds are very nice, and all of these components are powder coated black. And even these clamps here, I'm going to show you with this nice stainless steel hardware you get. Just look at how nice these are threaded. These are tapped. It's super smooth and threads right in. Nothing hanging it up. As I said, very high quality construction. We have the actual hitch receiver here. You can see the nice welds. And let me flip this around and show you the receiver end. It is a 1 1/4 inch receiver end. We can see there are two locations for mounting depending on the accessory you're using of where you need to have it. So that's very thought out as well. And that has just been a quick look at the components here. So now let's get back to the Ural and see more of it on the machine. So this hitch we designed in-house from scratch, from the ground up. And we can see it clamps on in 3 places to the sidecar frame. So it's a very secure and discreet setup and very strong. We can see we have the bike rack inserted, so you can throw a couple bikes on there if you so do please. We can see there are 2 locations to secure the accessory you're using, depending on its dimensions where you may want to fasten it. And we can see how beautiful this is. It is heavy duty steel and it is powder coated black. So it'll be protected and last a very long time. And we do have installation instructions, and those are included in the listing for this. So I will have that linked in the video and in the description. If this video was enjoyable to watch or informative, please leave a like and consider subscribing to not miss any more content.